I'm Andrew Holmes. I'm a mortgage choice broker from Capalaba. I've been serving the Bayside area now for 17 years as a mortgage choice broker. In the past 6 months there's been major changes in the home loan finance industry. That's made it very difficult to apply for home loans. In fact, I've been in the industry 17 years and I've never known it to be so difficult. So if brokers are finding it difficult, I can imagine customers going direct to bankers must be finding it almost impossible. The government's making sure the banks and the lenders follow legislation and regulations that came in around responsible lending. They're making sure that lenders don't provide loans to people that simply cannot afford them or products that they simply should not have. The impact in simple terms is up to 6 months ago, when applying for home loan finance, the lender would assess your financial situation and possibly say you could afford maybe up to $1 million. The reaction from the client often is that's way too much, we can't afford that. Today, the same financial information assessed by the same lenders, the result now is you may be able to afford $500,000. The reaction from my clients is that's too little, we can actually afford more than that. The most recent and biggest change to lending, and this is the game changer, is around living expenses. Now in the past, lenders have always asked for living expenses, so it's nothing new. But they've often relied on internal living expense charts and guides. You need now to support the figures that you put in on your application for what your living expenses are, and you need to support them with bank statements. Now I've given you this tip, why would you still use a broker? Well, as always, no two lenders are the same, and even with these changes, you'll find some lenders are far more difficult because they require far more detail than others. Some of our lenders have 8 categories of living expenses, some have up to 15. If you come to a mortgage choice broker, we have to use the same information and assess it the same way, but we take all the hard work out of it and we make sure when we present it to the lender, it's as it should be, and we often will give you more options. For the best advice and professional independent advice, talk to your mortgage choice broker. Remember, our home loan service is free of cost to you, so give me a call today. I'm Andrew at Mortgage Choice Capalaba.